Question number 13. The diagram shows a ball of weight W hanging in a equilibrium from a string. Okay, so there's a ball of weight W hanging in equilibrium with the string. The string is at the angle theta to the vertical. The tension in the rod is T, and the ball is held away from the fall by a horizontal force P from a metal rod. Okay, so you put a metal rod over here so the ball does not fall down here, and you put a string over here, so it has been held like this over here. Okay, and now the question is, what is the relationship between the magnitudes of T, P, and W are correct? Now, simplest thing what you need to do is, if this angle is theta and this is your tension, so what I can do is I can draw a vertical line like this, and I can say this should be equal to T cos theta. Why T cos theta? If this angle is theta, then this angle should also be theta. Why theta? Because this angle would be, see, if this is 90, this should be 90 minus theta. So definitely this is theta. If this is theta, then this should be T cos theta. Then I have resolved this T into this side. Then along this direction also it will be T sin theta. Okay. Now let us write down. Now what do we have here? Write down the forces. T cos theta is equal to W, and T sin theta is equal to P. Okay. So if I divide one by the other, I can cancel this T over here. I can get tan theta is equal to W by P. Okay. Now let us look at this one equation that we have. Now P equal to T cos theta. Is it possible? P equal to T cos theta? No. P equal to T sin theta. This is wrong. Then P equal to P plus W. T is equal to P plus W. No. But if you look at this carefully from here, you see T cos theta equal to W, T sin theta equal to P. If I just square this and add, what will happen? T squared into cos squared theta plus sin squared theta. What I have done? I have T squared cos squared theta and T squared sin squared theta I have done. When I do this, what will happen? T square cos square theta will become W square. T square sin square theta will become P square. P square. So what will happen here? This cos square plus theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So therefore T square equal to W square plus P square. So T equal to P plus W is wrong. T square equal to P square plus W square. So C is the right answer. This is also incorrect. The C is the right answer.